Hey, what's up, guys? Some people have been asking, what's the point of rolling your clothes? I mean, why do it? You can just fold them up or do whatever. So, here's some clothes that I just pulled out of the dryer, a fresh load of laundry. And down here is my old, army bag, whatever, one of them. And yeah, I mean, sure, you try to get all these clothes in the bag, you go on a trip, whatever. Just pick them up and throw them in, right? You just stuff them into the bag, right? It fits. It sort of kind of fits. It works. Hey, what the hell? You can close the bag, right? And call it a day. But, let's just say it's pretty obvious this is not the optimal solution, right? So let's go ahead and take them out and see how much more space we can have and if there's any other benefit to actually folding them one way or the other. So let's get started. So for comparison, I'm just going to do a very simple fold. Nothing fancy here. So I'm going to go ahead and fold up the rest of these clothes real quick. Okay, so now the clothes are folded up and we are ready to put them in the bag. But here's problem number one. As you pick them up, unless you go one by one, you can grab and accidentally drop and they start to unfold. So it's pretty fragile here. So anyway, let's go ahead and stuff them in the bag. And as you can see, we gained a little bit of space, but not a whole lot. So yeah, I mean, it's better than not folding at all, but you don't gain that much. Besides, if you have stuff on the bottom that you're trying to get, like, oh, I really want to wear that shirt, you can't really just get it out without like destroying the whole thing, right? It's a mess. Or if TSA has to go through your bag, it's gonna be like a big mess afterwards. You're gonna look just like that. So it's not something you want to deal with when you're traveling, and I don't recommend it. So now let's go ahead and take all this back out and roll it up and see what we get. So now everything is rolled up and we're ready to put our clothes in the bag. Now, because everything is rolled up tight, we can just pick up multiple things at once without worrying about anything coming loose and unfolding itself. It's all fine. So you can literally just make a little pyramid here, pick it up, put it in the bag. And now inside the bag, you can just stack them up like little bricks. And as you can see, it can go really, really tight inside the bag. So now, as you can see, we're down to less than half of the original volume, and we can still even put more clothes in here. There's still more room. You can stuff in more stuff. Now, another benefit of this is that if you decide, like, hey, well, here I have all the same shirts pretty much, but if you have different stuff, you're like, okay, today I want to wear this thing, right? You can just pull it out and everything else stays in, so you don't have to worry about messing up your setup inside the bag. So anyway, that's that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thanks for watching.